Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in Ayia Napa. Ryan and Lisa have just got engaged. They're going to stay here for their honeymoon at the Olympic Lagoon Resort. There's the back entrance. You have to have your key card to get in. There it is. And we want to go to the beach. So there's Nisi Avenue. There we are, Ryan and Lisa. By the way, look at the video for the Olympic Lagoon. It is an amazing place. Once you get there, you might not even want to go to the beach. Everything's there, guys. Right, so which way we're going to go? We're going to go left, guys. Now, you can do a little right and go over the floating carpet that way, but we'll do a left. Let me just turn around and show you the entrance. Or the exit. It's camouflaged by these bushes. Nisi Avenue, turn left, and we'll sort of roughly time it for you, not far at all. Down Nisi Avenue, this is the quiet end. Of course there will be a bus stop somewhere, guys, if you want to get into Ayia Napa, or you can walk. It's quite a walk though. As I said, you might be wanting to get a bus, or you can get one of those quad bikes that's gone past. Whatever you fancy. Hire a car, hire a moped, hire a scooter, hire a bike. Don't go out at all. So I've been walking for about a minute now. We're going past Sokos Paradise Village on here on our left. There it is. Again, look out for the video. And we've got signs. Landa Beach coming up. We're going to go over the floating carpet, and why not, guys? There's no need to cross the road, not yet. Let's let this coach go past. It's a bit wicked for it to stop for us. There we are, and we'll wait now. There we are. Thank you. That Nisi Avenue is quite a busy road, guys, so be careful in the floating carpet. Of course this bit's quite fast. It's not like Rodara where the traffic's going so slow they'll sort of stop for you. So 1 minute or so to the junction, Landa Beach. Turn right. Oh, I can see the sea. There it is, just here. Well, that's not far at all, is it, guys? There's the pay and display car park here on the left. Now that's quite a new car park, guys. Used to be a bit of parking down there at the end, and that's a new car park, so it's pay and display. Just go and have a look how much it is, just in case you're not staying there and you don't want to walk and you want to visit this beach. Let's go and have a look. So up to 2 hours, €2, and then it goes up 50 cents an hour. Well, that's very reasonable. We've got disabled parking right on the edge here of the car park. Right, we'll step up to the gym, the outdoor free gym. Oh, I wonder what you can do on this chair. You can sit on it and it goes up and, oh, look at that. It's interesting. There's a virtually brand new changing rooms and shower cubicles and toilets. There's outdoor showers here. A little roundabout. Let's show you the beach. Yeah, let's go to the beach and have a look around, shall we? Down the steps. And that's the Olympic Bay, guys, the adults only section of the Olympic Lagoon. Just over there, they've got a swimming pool and everything. You can use that if you want to, or you can come to this lovely beach. It is an amazing beach, by the way. It's definitely worth coming. So we've got sunbeds and umbrellas everywhere. Again, €2.50 an item. There's the lifeguard post. We've got water sports at the far end. Lovely soft sand. Loads of people wallowing in that blue sea. Quite gentle today. There's the coastal path. Look out for the videos, guys. There we are. Lovely coastal path, by the way. We have been down this coastal path. There's restaurants, there's fancy restaurants as well as and bars. There's a brand new bar right at the far end, and also they've got those loungers. The bars have got these 4-poster sunbed loungers that you can rent, or they've got the luxury sunbeds and umbrellas that you could rent at a little bit extra charge. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you the sand, because we've got a boardwalk as well. Let's go and have a look. Oh, that was the corn on the cob, man. There's massages here, by the way, guys. There we are. Foot massage, €10. In fact, it's €1 a minute for whatever you have.
Sounds a bit
Sounds a very reasonable. €1 a minute. That's not too bad. You can have a massage. Why don't you have a foot massage? A pedicure, that's the word. Thank you very much. Lucky we've got people who know what they're talking about here. Now there's the restaurants, guys, and the lovely soft sand. So why don't we finish the video here? It was a little stroll down, guys. Probably very maximum was 5 minutes. Just a stroll down, guys, not far at all. Beautiful beach, water sports, everything's here, guys, including that wonderful hotel you're going to stay at. What an amazing place. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.